it's Charon Tap Star with #1 Hoofer, sharing love, love, love to help you surpass your personal best. All right, beginner tap dancers, I'm so proud of you. Last lesson, we did a whole bunch of things, and now we're going to move on to digs and hits, okay? All right, so we learned toe taps, we learned step heel, we had weight shifts going on, we did the other tap, and now we're moving on to digs and hits, okay? Now with dig, you guys, see the heel of my tap shoe? It's sort of like a bicycle kickstand. You want to put the edge, the very edge of your tap into the floor, okay? So lift your foot up, dig. The edge of your tap goes into the floor. Lift your foot up, dig. Lift your foot up, dig. Lift your foot up, dig. Lift your foot up, and dig, okay? Let's do 4 of those. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Good. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Excellent, you guys. Okay, let's try the other side. We're using this part of our foot, the edge of our tap, okay? And we're putting it into the ground. Into the ground. Dig. We have doggy effects. He's playing with his toy. Okay, good job. All right, give me 4, okay? 1, 2, here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Excellent, you guys, you got it. Okay, the next thing we're going to do is hit, okay? We're going to use the edge, the tip of our shoe, okay? The tip of our toe, and we're just going to hit it on the ground. Now, you guys, if you have on open-toed shoes, then I need you not to have on open-toed shoes, okay? If you have soft shoes, I need you to be careful. So make sure you have on some safe, secure shoes if you don't have on tap shoes so you don't hurt your toe when you're hitting it on the floor, okay? Your objective is not to go like this. You don't want to bash your toe into the ground. You just want to make that sound, okay? Let's come along. Come on. And hit, 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 hit. Proud of you. Let's do the other side, you guys. Your standing leg, you want nice and strong so you don't fall, okay? Remember, tap dance is all about balance and other things. So you want a nice, strong standing leg, and then you hit, 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 hit. Proud of you. All right, you guys. So let's just do 2 digs and 2 hits, okay? So I'm going to want you to go, watch me first. I want you to go dig, dig, hit, hit, okay? 1, 2, here we go. Dig, dig, hit, hit. Good. Let's do the other side. 1, 2, here we go. Dig, dig, hit, hit. Excellent, you guys. All right, so let's go ahead and just do something, all right? Let me see. Give me a second. Let's go. Dig, dig, hit, hit, dig, dig, stamp. Okay, you guys, stamp, you learned in a different tutorial. If you have not done part 1 and 2, go ahead, click the link up here or go through the playlist and do those videos first, come back to this, okay? So, stamp, you put it down, but you put your weight on it, remember, so you can shift sides to do the other foot, okay? Give me 2 seconds. Cutie pie, can I just have that for a minute? Can we switch toys? Give you the loud one. Okay. Thank you, cutie pie. Oh, I love you. Thank you. Okay, you guys, I'm back. All right, so we have 2 digs, 2 hits, 2 digs, and then you're going to stamp, switch your weight so you can do the other side, okay? 2 digs, 2 hits, 2 digs, stamp so you can switch your weight and do the other side, all right? Give me this side and then this side, okay? Come along, follow me. 1, 2, here we go. Dig, dig, hit, hit, dig, dig, stamp, and dig, dig, hit, hit, dig, dig, stamp. again. Dig, dig, hit, hit, dig, dig, stamp. Again, other side. Proud of you. Excellent. All right, we're going to go faster. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, stamp. Okay? So you have 4 digs. You have 4 hits. You have 4 digs again. Then you have 2 hits. 1, 2, and then you stamp to switch your weight. Okay? And then same thing on the other side. Let's go ahead and just start with this leg right now, okay? I'm going to turn around and face the back. We're going to start with this leg. Ready? And 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hit, hit, stamp. Other side. 4, 4, 4, 2 hits, stamp. Other side. Other side. This is our last time. 2 hits. Excellent, you guys. Good job. All right, let's go back to this right here. So we have these, right, that you know from the other video, okay? Other tap, heel. Just come along with me. 4 of each. Other tap. Good. Go again. 4, heel. Tap, heel. Proud of you. And 4, heel. Now just follow along with me, okay? We're going to do digs. Here we go. Dig, dig, dig. Hits. Dig. Other tap. Switch weights. Dig. Hits. Digs, proud of you. Other taps. Switch. Same thing. Hit. Digs. Other tap. Switch your weight. Digs. Good job. Hits. Digs. Other tap. Excellent, you guys. All right, good. Let's step on the balls of our feet. We're doing slight reviews. Okay? Now let's do heels. Heel, 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 heel. Come along. You're so fresh. Good job. Come along. Excellent. Excellent. Okay, you guys. Now I want you to give me step, step, heel, heel, okay? So step, step, heel, heel. Here we go. Heel, heel. Remember, when you step, step, you really want to be in control of your weight so you're balancing easily. No one can push me over right now, okay? You're balanced. Be in control of your body. That's what tap dance is. Okay, so we're going to have 1, 2, 3, 4. Here we go. Step, step, heel, heel. Here we go. Step, step, heel, heel. Here we go. I'm so proud of you. Now, you guys, let's do it again. We have to be even, so we're going to do it with the other leg now, okay? So start with this one, and then this heel comes down first, okay? Under tempo real quick. Good. That's enough. All right, here we go. So this is our tempo, okay? 1, 2, proud of you. Step, step, heel, heel. Heel, heel, step, step, heel, heel, step, step, heel, heel, step, step. Excellent. All right, you guys, I'm going to be a little mean to you, okay? I mean in a good way. You're going to love me later because it'll help you improve faster. We're going to go ahead and speed that up. So I want this. Ready, and. Ready, and. Ready, and. Proud of you. Other leg, 2. Here we go. Ready, and. Ready, and. Ready, and. guys. Let's get back to these digs again, okay? So now I want you to go. Come along. Okay, it's just double digs. Dig, 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 dig. If it's too fast for you, you can just do singles. You can just go boom, 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 boom. And boom, boom, boom. R. I'm so proud of you. Okay, let's do the other side, you guys. Ready? Here we go. And dig, 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 dig. Single, single, single. Dig, 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 and single. Standing leg is nice and strong. Again, dig, 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 and single. Proud of you. Last time. Dig, 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 and single. All right, you guys. Good job. All right, let me see. Let me make up something real quick for you with the digs and the hits some more, okay? Give me stamp. Hit. Dig, 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 stamp. Come with me. Hit. Come with me. Okay, you have that? Good job. After we do that, then I'm going to have you go. We said bop, 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 boom, bop, 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 stamp. Just watch me. You can do it if you want to. Then just reverse it. Hit, 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 dig, hit, 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 stamp. Okay, that's easy enough. I'm going to face the back. 1, 2, here we go. Dig, 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 hit, dig, 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 stamp. Dig, 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 hit, dig, 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 hits now. Hit, 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 dig, hit, hit, stamp. Hit, 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 dig, hit, hit, stamp. Proud of you guys. Okay, here we go. Give me this, superstars. After you do that, I want you to give me this broken down crimp roll, okay? The dog's trying to dance in the corner. I love you, Poo-Poo. Okay, so this right here, I wish I could show you, but I'm not going to stop. I want you to give me 4 of these, then the digs. Okay, back into the broken down crimp roll, step, step, heel, heel. This time though, you're going to start with your hips first. Here we go. Hit, 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 dig, hit, 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 stamp. Hit, 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 dig, hit, 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 stamp. Sorry, I got distracted. All right, guys, last time, and then I'm going to not torture you anymore with this session. And next week, we will get into shuffles and slaps, okay? Or maybe just one. All right, here we go. So going from here, okay? 1, 2, proud of you. And step, step, heel, heel. 3, here comes our digs. Again, step, step, heel, heel. 2, 3. This time we're starting with our hits. Hit, 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 dig. Stamp. Hit, 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 dig. Hit, 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 stamp. Yes! Good job, tap dancers. All right, remember you guys, no one started like tearing it up like this. But if you do these basics that I'm showing you, the basic steps to tap, all of that is used to do the amazing rhythms you see in tap dance, okay? So be proud of yourself for taking action to learn these few basic steps today. Practice everything. If you haven't done the other tutorials, do the other tutorials, okay? I love you so much. Charon Tap Star here at #1 Hoofer, sharing love to help you surpass your personal best. Make sure you're following me at Instagram and communicate with me. Ask me questions if you need, and I'll answer as many as I can. Charon Tap Star out. Remember, no one starts at #1. You have to work for it. #1 Hoofers, let's go! Show your appreciation. Like this video now.